Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today in our science lesson, we are going to talk about food and nutrition. For our starter activity, build as many words as you can from nutrition. Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. From the word nutrition, we can write or we can get neat, turn, not, try, iron, not, torn, run, tin, writ, ton, and ruin. If you also have words that are not mentioned here, you can share it to your class. Today, our learning objective is to identify and give examples of food from different food groups. Here are the learning objectives, or learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, I want you to draw example of food from energy, growth, build, and repair groups. Give examples and describe the food for energy, growth, and repair. And explain the importance of food from each food group. And finally, discuss how this food became a source of energy, growth, build, and repair for our body. Now, think for this question. What are the different food groups? There are three different food groups. First group is GO, or the energy-giving food. The second one is the GROW, or the growth-giving food. And the third one is GLOW, which is called the build and repair group. Now, I'm going to discuss each one of the group. First, we got growth-giving food. Growth-giving food examples are milk, fish, pulses or beans, eggs, and chicken. These food mainly come from protein source. Protein. Can you also give examples of different protein-rich food or growth-giving food? Share it to your class. Next, we do have energy-giving food. Examples are sugar, bread, rice, potatoes, and cereals. These food came from carbohydrates and fat or fatty food. Remember, not all fats are harmful. We have to eat fats in moderation. We should burn these fats in order for it to get used or get burnt so it will not be stored in our tummy. The third group is called the build and repair giving food. This comes from fruits and vegetables. Build and repair group mainly are the food that rich with vitamins and minerals. So all sources of fruits and vegetables are rich with vitamins and minerals that help our body build and repair for any issues like fracture or diseases. Now for our activity, I want you to draw in your paper different example of food from that gives you or help you grow, the energy giving food, and food that helps build and repair. Pause the video and do the activity. And finally, I have here the activity. Group 1 can make a poster and draw different types of food from energy, growth, build, and repair. Another group can also write a description of different examples of food that gives energy, growth, and build and repair. And another group can explain the importance of food from each of the food group. I'll leave you with this video. I hope you have learned something today. Always enjoy learning, and remember, be the best you can. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.